Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Yazio app and you will click. In this window of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK here. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about the application of Yazio. And then here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.